Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Search Console and start pulling in data. In a future video, I will be going over how to use Google Search Console, but this video is just on how to set up and install Google Search Console so that you can start seeing the data in your account. So the first thing that you want to do is just Google Search Console to find the website. Let's go ahead and click on the top one and then hit Start Now. Now it's going to ask you to sign in to your Google account, so you can use just a typical Gmail account, or you can use your Workspace email account to sign in. Once you sign in, most of you may not see an account already set up. If you do, you'll just want to make sure that it's your domain. If no account is there, then there'll probably be a pop-up that shows something like this. Now, this is where you're going to set up your Google Search Console account for your website. So we want to use the domain property type. And so you're just basically going to type in your domain. So I'm just going to use an example domain that I have, and it is photographerfound.com. So let's hit continue, and it's going to verify the property. And it's going to ask us to set up a TXT record in our DNS area. Now, this may sound really confusing, but it's actually quite simple. Some of you actually may get auto-verified if you've purchased your domain with Google and you use the same email to purchase that domain as you did to sign up. There's a few other ways that Google can auto-verify, but a good majority of the time, it's going to ask you to add a TXT record to your DNS. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we need to just copy the TXT record, and then you need to head over to your domain registrar. This is wherever you've purchased your domain. So I use Google Domains, and you can see here I've found the DNS area. If you use GoDaddy or Bluehost or any of those other domain registrars, go ahead and just Google DNS records in GoDaddy or something like that to find out where you can add in a DNS record. Let's go ahead and click on Manage Records. And then in here, let's go ahead and click on Create New Record. We're going to add a TXT record. So under Type, let's find TXT. And then under Data or Value, we're going to paste the record here. Now, you may need to add your root domain into the name or the host name field. However, you see when I click on my field, the root domain already shows. So in this case, I don't need to do that. But many of you, if you're using GoDaddy, may need to add the root domain, or you can simply just put the @ symbol. So let's go ahead and click on Save. And now you can see we have a TXT record with the value given to us by Google. Now, what we'll want to do after this is go ahead and click on Verify. And this may take a few minutes. It might not verify right away, but typically it verifies pretty quickly. So you can see now that our ownership is verified. And that's the way that Google verifies you own the domain, is if you own the domain, you're able to add a record to the registrar. And so we've just done that. So now we can go to our property, and we're going to have all of our data start pouring into here after a few days or a week. So in the next video, I'm going to be walking you through how to use Google Search Console. It's a very powerful tool if you want to know what keywords you rank for in Google and what page you're on for that keyword. It gives you all of the secrets. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Bye.